Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down what matters. Choose 3 core KPIs and a reporting period so your work has direction. Once chosen, request read access to GA4, ad platforms, and your CRM. This prevents last-minute delays. Next, export one clean dataset per source or connect via API to avoid copy errors. Make sure to document date ranges and filters now, because consistent definitions are why stakeholders trust the numbers and why your comparisons are valid. Once raw data is available, you clean and normalize fields, unify date formats, standardize UTM naming, and apply a consistent channel grouping so all sources align. Then compute derived metrics like CPA and ROAS so the report shows performance, not just clicks. After that, combine datasets with joins or blended queries and validate by spot-checking sample rows against source systems. This step reduces error risk and makes your charts reliable for interpretation and decision-making. To finish, build 3 focused views: an executive overview, channel-level detail, and an actions-focused recommendations page so viewers can act quickly. Once visuals are set, add annotations for anomalies and a brief note on data completeness or sampling to keep findings transparent. Before distribution, validate totals and key ratios against source exports. If numbers don't match, retrace joins and filters first. Mismatched date filters are the most common culprit. Then update and reshare with.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.